Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming my channel, for watching my videos, for commenting it, for liking it. Thank you. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is the message for whosoever it required, okay? So this is not a specific message for some sign or for some person. The messages are for whosoever. If it is resonating for you, if it is helping out for you, you can take it, and if it is not, then you can leave it out. So if it is resonating according to you, so you can take this. If you're not, then leave it out. So yeah, let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get important messages which are important for you. So now let's start. What are the messages for whosoever required which I need to deliver? Give me the messages which are important to deliver. Let me get all messages first. Any other message? Okay. Any other message? One minute. So yeah, so the messages for you is, the first message for you is, I create my future today. I create my future today. Do something today that your future self will be thank you for you. Okay, thank you for. So do something which you want to today only. Then there is, I listen to the wisdom of my heart. I listen to the wisdom of my heart. That means place your hand over your heart. Ask your heart what if it wants to, you know, to today. Oh yeah. Okay, place your hand over your heart. Ask your heart what it wants you to know today. Okay, that's the message. Then there is, I live in an abundant universe. Notice how abundant flows into your life in delightful and surprising way. I trust the guidance of the universe. I trust the guidance of the universe. Trust that everything you need to know is being revealed to you in a perfect space-time sequence. Okay, when the divine time will come, it will be revealed to you. So you need to trust that everything will be revealed to you. Then there is, I welcome miracles into my life. Be open to miracles today. You will experience a miracle each time you decide to let life love you a little bit more than before. Okay, I am beautiful and everybody loves me. I am beautiful and everybody loves me. Carry this thought with you today and notice the effect on you and on others. Then there is, I commit to being more present in my life. If something seems to be missing in your life, maybe what's missing is you. Complete this sentence. One way I can be more present in my life is. Then there is, I choose peace. Life does not want you to suffer, my dear friend. You struggle because you let life love you only so much. When there is drama in your life, let grace in. There is, I am blessed. Take few moments to count your blessings. Complete this sentence 10 times. One way my life loving me right now is. Count your blessings and let yourself know that how you are blessed in your life. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the more messages from how to love yourself. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Okay. So the first message for you is, I forgive all my past experiences. I forgive all past experiences. You have to say this to yourself, that I accept all that I have created for myself, my past and my present, and I'm willing to allow my future to happen. Okay. I trust the intelligence within me. There are no problems that do not have a solution. There are no questions without answers. Okay. You just need to find them. That's it. Each person is a part of a harmonious world. Each person is a part of the harmonious whole. With joy, I recognize my perfection and the perfection of life. Beautiful message. I freely express who I am. It is my birthright to express myself in a way that I am fulfilling to me. And that's right, you have a birthright. No one can, take that birthright from you. You can express yourself freely, whatever you want to express yourself. I trust and know that all is well in my world. Divine right action is guiding me. Every moment of the day, I know that whatever the outcome is, it is perfect for me and everyone concerned. My day begins and ends with self-love and appreciation. I wake up in the morning loving myself, praising myself and telling myself I love being me. Okay, so self-love is here. I love myself totally in the now. Healing means to make whole and to accept all parts of myself, not just the parts I like, but all of me. You need to accept and love yourself first, okay? I know inwardly what is right for me. I look in the mirror and say to myself, I deserve all good. I deserve to be prosperous. I deserve joy. I deserve love. Beautiful message. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's use super attractors. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever it is. Give me the messages. Any other message? Any other message? Okay. So the first message for you is, I can do less and attract more. Okay. I do not have to fear my fear. I can use it as a way to get closer to love. That's right. Choose love over fear. Okay. You need to choose love over fear. As soon as I choose to see the light in the dark concerns, I redirect my power towards what I want. And that's right. What you seek is seeking you. It's good to feel good. It's good to feel good. Directing my focus on what is thriving creates more of what I want. And that's right. That's right. Believing in spiritual guidance gives me certainty and the freedom to keep dreaming even when I can't yet see the results. And that's the beauty of spirituality. Okay? That's the beauty of spirituality. Beautiful message. I love it. When I'm grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. Okay. I trust that my powerful intentions combined with my faith are enough to allow my vision to become my reality. Beautiful. When I cultivate a spiritual connection, I can trust the universe no matter what. Okay. Beautiful message is there. I love the deck too, okay? My super attractor power comes from how I feel my faith in love and the joy I put out. Lovely message. I feel my way into faith one step at a time. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the Law of Attraction card. Let's see what this deck wants to say to you. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever it required. What are the messages? Give me the messages. Any other message? Okay, any other message? The thoughts I think today are prepaving my future. Every thought that you think that is directed toward what you want for your future is of great benefit to you. Every thought that you are thinking about your future that you do not want is a disadvantage to you. Whether thinking of vitality and health or decline or disease, you are prepaving your future. And that's law of attraction, okay? I am learning to allow well-being in. The art of allowing is that I am that which I am, and I am pleased and joyful in it, and you are that which you are. And while you are different from that which I am, I can allow that, for it is also good. I see myself enjoying perfect well-being. I see myself in a perfect health with absolute prosperity and invigorated with life. I am appreciating this physical life that I wanted, and I decided to be a physical being. It is glorious to be here making decisions with this physical brain, but accessing the power of universe through the power of law of attraction. Beautiful message. Actions inspired from aligned thoughts is a joyful action. Actions offered from a place of contradicted thought is hard, unsatisfying work and does not yield good results. But when you really feel good about jumping into action, that is a clear sign that you are not offering thoughts that are contradictory to your own desires. Okay? I will not attempt to control others' experiences. Rather than trying to control the experiences of others, which you cannot do matter how much you try, okay? Instead, intend to control your own participation within those experiences. And by setting forth your clear image of the life you want to live, you will be guided in every moment towards a smooth and pleasant path for yourself. Beautiful. I attract the essence of whatever pleases me. When you go into your creative workshop, you can begin to assimilate the data that represents your preferences. And as you assimilate the data, you will prepare a picture of self from which you will begin attracting into experiences the essence of all that has been pleasing you. By segment intending, I can expend my time. As you become efficient with your segment intending, you will expend your usable time. By being clear about what you want during each important segment of your day, you will harness the law of attraction to do its work, and it will require far less time for you to accomplish much more. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Everyday Miracles. Okay, beautiful deck. I love this deck too. Okay, let's see what are the messages from Everyday Miracles. What they want to give the messages. Any other message? Too many cards, 7-8 cards are there, so I'm not going to take it. Okay, so the first message for you is, I am as God created me. In you is all of heaven. Every leaf that falls is given life in you. Each bird that have ever sang will sing again in you, and every flower that have ever bloomed has saved its perfume and its loveliness for you. Okay, truth will correct all errors in my mind. Okay, truth will correct all the errors in my mind. When a situation has been dedicated wholly to truth, peace is inevitable. What is happening to my phone? Okay, God voice speak to me all throughout the day. The part of your mind in which truth abides is in constant communication with God, whether you are aware of it or not. There is love created me like itself. You are the work of God, and His work is wholly lovably and wholly loving. This is how man must think of himself in his heart, because this is what he is. Then there is the Holy Spirit speaks through out me today. The Holy Spirit voice is as loud as your willingness to listen. You just need to focus on that. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see some messages from Crazy Sexy Love Notes deck. Okay, let's see. This is a powerful reminder to love and appreciate yourself from inside and out. Okay, basically this is a deck of self-care. So let's see, what are the messages which I need to deliver. Give me the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever it is required? First message for you is dance. And I do not know what is happened to my video, why there is no brightness here. Okay, let me see. The first message for you is dance. Kick up your cute heels and move your glorious body. Feel the music and let's dance. Then there is ask for help. Okay, so you can ask for help if you want any help. Then there is embrace your sensitivity and have confidence in you. Okay, embrace your sensitivity and have confidence. There is tell the truth and accept compliments. You need to tell the truth, communicate with integrity. You maybe need to level up with someone. This person could be even you. Are you saying you are fine when you don't mean it? Are you swallowing your needs because you don't have to rock the boat? When you hide the truth, it eventually come out in a destructive way. Okay, so next time someone gives you a compliment, say thank you and accept the compliments. That's the message from this deck. And tell the truth even if it is you. Then there is listen and unplug. So are you talking more than you are listening? So do you finish people's sentence for them? True connection is about how we make people feel and whether or not we are being open and present. Life is communicating with you, dear one. An important message is trying to get through you. Let go of your fear of not being heard. You will get your chance for you. For now, just listen right now. Okay, so you right now just need to listen. Then there is recharge your soul batteries by unplugging from the digital world. Connect with yourself by disconnecting from distractions such as people do list, take a stroll. The best way to generate fresh and innovative ideas is to balance the virtual and natural worlds. The birds in the tree have just as much as to teach you as the internet. So you need to disconnect right now from the world of internet and spend some time in the nature. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some affirmation, 1 or 2 affirmation, and then I'm closing out your reading. Okay, give me the affirmation for whosoever is required. No, give me the affirmation for whosoever is required. Okay, got it. 2 affirmation I got. Yeah. So the first message for you is receiving. I open up and allow myself to receive love in all ways from all direction. It may seem scary, but it's better than receiving audits, bedbugs, or hate mails. I receive love and it feels so good that I decided to receive it some more, and then some more, and maybe just a wee bit more. So you have to open up yourself. You have to open up to receive love. Receiving is a message. Then there is surrender. Here you are hereby being called to unclench your grip on any old thought patterns that are getting in your way. Surrender any ideas that make you feel like a victim of circumstance, or which you may feel like a victim of circumstance, or which make your dream relationship seem like an impossibility. The mayor of reinvention has just arrived and has made the following decree. Limiting beliefs about yourself and your life are held heretofore forthwith officially and inaudibly declared for the birds. So surrender yourself. So this was the message from this deck, affirmation from this deck. These were the messages for whosoever is required, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. And sending you lots of love, light and healing to everyone who is listening this video, wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you wish to tell me anything. I will be glad that I help you out in some manner. I will try my level best. If you require any help, you can contact me too. So sending you lots of love, light, happiness all over the world, wherever you are. Take care of yourself and see you soon.